Technology with peace of mind dependability. Marine antennas stay connected. Entertained. Secure. Since the 1970s, Shakespeare Classic Antennas have always been made to provide basic communication and navigation capabilities. The Classic series covers the widest variety of vessels in the Shakespeare family. VHF Marine Radios, quality Shakespeare antennas. Cost-effective. Primary need on most vessels. VHF equipment is installed on all large ships and most seagoing small craft, and is also used on rivers and lakes. VHF radio frequency 156. 0 to 162. 025 MHz. Transmission power between 1 and 25 watts, with a small craft effective range of about 5 nautical miles, 9 kilometers, 6 miles, between antennas. Top reviews from the United States. Ease of use. Worked as advertised, no soldering and watertight connection. You need to take time to crimp the ends evenly in order to thread the ends onto the connection. Worked like a charm. Was an easy install and was able to put my broken VHF radio antenna back together.